why should you be our next Miss Universe Philippines 2025?
I believe I deserve to be the next Miss Universe Philippines because I am obsessed. You know, I am obsessed with infinite possibilities and really excelling in all of those. And I feel like at this choice point, I have this equanimity that is really at its peak, and I've never been so level-headed, and I'm ready to take on the challenges of being the Miss Universe Philippines. And with my experiences of being a well-traveled queen, I've been to all 17 regions of the country, so I know all the local colors of the country. I know the different approaches to different types of people, and basically, I love the people. I love the people. I hope there's a better, expression that I can say now, but I love the people, and this overflowing love that I have within me is what makes me an effectual leader and an effectual spokesperson. And I think that to be a Miss Universe Philippines is to be that person, even as a regular being.
Okay? Pakitabulate po agad yung kanilang scores. Thank you.
Thank you so much.